What's going on, everyone? My name is Aaron, and in this video today I'm going to be building a 8x8 squat and deadlift platform. This platform is going to live temporarily outside here. I'm doing a challenge called 75 hard, and so I want to be able to do a portion of my lifts and exercises outdoors to complete the challenge. It's not going to be like Olympic weightlifting. I'm not doing like 3 or 4 different layers, just, you know, because I'm not dropping the weights from super high up. What I got here in terms of materials, I have 3 4x8 3/4 inch pieces of plywood. They're also pressure treated, again, because we're doing this outdoors. 2 4x6 horse stall mats. What they're going to be, we're going to cut them in half. It's going to be on the side. This is now to check that I've got them centered. Like that?
What that does is that spreads it so you don't have it coming together, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So the knife will slice it.
Yeah, it makes some more sense. Okay, cool. Right through. Nice. Thank you. That's how every build goes. It's like I start building something, and then my dad comes in, he's like, you can do this way better. And he starts telling me stuff. And it's like, it's good shit, I will say. It always works out much better than I had it originally intended. Blood, sweat, and tears, that's for sure. Okay, done. Nice. So now I got everything laid out. This will be where the squat rack is gonna go, and then this part will be like the deadlifting part. And that's kind of how I'm gonna have it set up. I'll store the barbells, maybe the bench as well in there. Maybe the weights too, we'll see where to put the weights. I'll have it ready for this guy right here. Just gotta screw it in, and then it should be good to go. All right, now that I got everything down, laid out like I like it, I'm gonna start screwing them together. These are just 1 inch. Oh geez. Oh geez, Rick. All done. So we got the horse stall mats cut. They're screwed in. I had to use a little bit more of a rounded screw at the top so they don't just go right through, which I found. And then I just drove in all the other ones. But now I got this 8x8 platform. So what I'm gonna do now, the hard part is gonna be actually to disassemble my squat rack and rebuild it over here. But once I have it, it'll be good to go. I figured before doing the squat rack, I'm like, might as well test it out a little bit, right? First test. This looks good. Wow, I'm actually really impressed. Okay, sweet. Let's throw some plates on here. It's not rolling. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's not rolling away from me that much. It's actually really good. Maybe slightly sloped this way, but not even. Like, it's not that noticeable. This works really well. I'll put the squat rack here, bench, squat, deadlift. This is my temporary outdoor platform. This is awesome. Highly recommend. Just about finished up. We got the squat rack rebuilt out here, deadlift platform secured, and this is gonna be sweet. So it's gonna make 75 hard a lot easier for me to accomplish now that I can lift outside, no problem. If you enjoyed this video, click like. If you have a suggestion, future build, or other fun things for us to do, feel free to let me know in the comments, but hope this was helpful. If you're looking to build one similar, thanks so much for watching.